Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reason for factorising worksheets. So this video gives you two worksheets where we can use factorisation or factorising to simplify algebraic fractions. And we saw in the lesson that one of the important reasons for factorising is that it allows us to simplify algebraic expressions. So that's what we're asked to do here in these two slides. So if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link. Click on the link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute before I can go on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide obviously for as long as you like. Okay, here's the second slide. I'll also leave that on for a minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.